Right, so alkalis, it makes the brick earth is so unsuitable for the so making a brick, right? So and it causes this alkalis causes efflorescence. Efflorescence, it causes the efflorescence. What is mean by efflorescence? This is very important for our examination, previous questions also, right? This is the previous question. What is the efflorescence? Right, so this efflorescence means that is white patches, that means white powder deposit, white powder deposits on the brick, white powder deposit on the bricks, right? So what happened due to the white powder deposit on the brick? So it lost the appearance, right? So it lose the appearance. Right, so it lose the appearance, right? That means if the alkalis is excess alkali is present, this alkali is causes the efflorescence, right? So efflorescence means white powder deposit on the surface of the brick, or white powder deposit on the surface. Due to the white powder deposit on the surface, so appearance is lost, right? So this is the function of alkalis, right? So this is the function of alkalis. And so one more ingredient of this so brick earth, one more ingredient is silt. One more ingredient is silt. This silt contains so 20 to 35%, it is also by weight. 20 to so 35%, it is also by weight, right? So the next one is very important for our examination point of view, right? So very important for our examination point of view. So sometimes the examiner ask what is the total content, what is the total content of silt plus clay. Silt and clay, what is the total content of silt and clay, right? Very important, silt and clay. So till this silt, so up to the silt, so we discussed only the individual ingredients, but sometimes the examiner asks the question, so what is the total content of silt and clay in the brick earth? So this is right, so it contains should not be less than 50%, should not be less than 50%, it is also by weight, right? So it is also by weight, right? So very important, should not be less than 50%, that is so silt and clay. So for both silt and clay, total so content is so that should not be less than 50%, right? So and one more is the total soluble water, total soluble materials, total soluble materials in water, right? So total soluble material in the good brick earth is so should not be more than 1%. Should not be more than 1%. This is the total soluble materials. Total soluble materials in the good brick earth is should not be more than 1%. It is also by weight. It is also by weight, right? So these are the ingredients of good brick earth. This is very important for our examination point of view, right? So remember the percentage of ingredients and remember the functions, and if it is excess, what happens in the brick, right? So this three cases is remember in the ingredients, right? Next one is So sometimes the examiner ask the question is like this: what is the harmful ingredients? That means which one of the following is the harmful ingredients? And sometimes the examiner ask like this also: which one of the following is not a harmful ingredients, right? So for this question we have to know what is the harmful ingredients, right? So harmful ingredient is, harmful ingredient, right? So harmful ingredients, number one is lime. Lime is the harmful ingredient, right? So number one is lime. Number two is iron. Number one is iron peritis. Iron peritis. Number three is alkalis. Right, so number three is alkalis. Number three is alkalis. Number four is pebbles. Right, so and number five is organic matter. Right, so number five is organic matters, right? So what is the percentage of this harmful ingredients, and then function of harmful ingredients is not required for our examination. Only remember this harmful ingredients. What is the harmful ingredients? That's it. So this lime is harmful ingredients. So iron pebbles is a harmful ingredient, and alkalis is harmful ingredients, pebbles, and this organic matter, right? So lime, iron, peritis, alkalis, pebbles, organic matter, sir, right? This five is the harmful ingredients in the brick earth, right? So these are the small discussion about the ingredients of good brick earth, right? So for more videos, please like, share and subscribe our VHL Academy online channel, right? So thank you all. We will meet in the next session. Thank you.